Hey guys, welcome to Lockdown Techie. Hope you all are doing safe in this pandemic time. Before going to the unboxing and reviews, whatever we have for today, I'll just tell you some instances that took me to that gadget. In the morning, I was just fighting with my mother for my car keys because she had a vaccination scheduled, and we all know that we get a slot in vaccination, and if we are late, then there's a rush. And so I was late and I was not getting my car keys as well. So I was little panicking. So don't we think that we should have some gadget which should take me to the keys or make a sound when I search for those keys, like we have our calling bell and all? That's not required. Okay, so let's go to the second one. I have full list of reasons. Okay, so first, then the second reason is before 2 3 days I was out for grocery shopping, and during that time, I when I was about to pay the billing counter, I didn't get my wallet. Okay, I was searching for it. I thought it's lost, but it was there in that trolley where we have those products, right? It was placed inside that. Later on, I realized that. But I was embarrassed in front of the cashier because he asked me and I was not able to pay. Anyhow, I managed with Paytm, but again, that was an embarrassing situation, right? We should have something where if we put in wallet and we just search and then give something, and that should ring or something should happen. Okay, this isn't not a valid reason. Okay, I thought it's a valid reason. Okay, this will 100% be a valid reason. Okay, because those two were valid for me. Um, Before 2 weeks, I with my relatives went for a mall, and there was a kid with us, and as usual, all kids, he also got lost in the mall. Okay, and when we realized, we started panicking and we searched for an hour, and after an hour we got him, and again we took him with us. So isn't something that we should have for our kids, that if kids have it, if kids are tracked efficiently, then we would not end up in this mess. That is the reason, right? So now I'll go to the product. So we have such product today for unboxing and review, which Apple has launched recently, and that does the same thing as of our tracker. The product from Apple, which was launched recently before few months, and that was initially launched in US with $29, and that came to India with 3,100 price. So this is the product, guys. This is the AirTag that Apple has invented for tracking efficiently and in encrypted manner of all your belongings that you want, like your keys or wallets, or you can also put it in with your kid's bag to track efficiently. So we'll go ahead for unboxing, and then we'll have the reviews after that. So without wasting time, let's go ahead for unboxing that.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead for quickly unboxing it. When you open the box, I purchased it from the Flipkart. I've given the links in the description. If you want, you can purchase from Flipkart and Amazon as well. So you'll be getting bulk discount in Amazon if you are purchasing four. So better go for Amazon if you want much AirTags. When you open, you have this pack like that, and when you open the pack, you'll be having a manual and AirTag in this package. You just need to open it, that's all. You'll be having a plastic wrapping on it. When you have to set up for it, you need to ensure that you should have iOS 14.6 and above. So if you have iOS 14.5 or 14.4, it will not appear. It will right away stop. So when you open the wrapping, that is where your AirTag is activated, means it is ready for use. You will hear this sound. Yep. So this sound ensures that your AirTag is unboxed and it's open. You see that my software is not updated, so I'll go ahead for updating first before pairing it. Else it will not even go ahead for pairing. And one more thing you need to ensure is you need to have your internet connectivity as well when you are going for pairing as well. So I will first download and install my iOS, and once it is done, I will go. I will. It's ready now. You can just see. I'll just show you my iOS what is updated now. It's 14.6. Head towards general, go to about and see it's updated. Yep, you can see that it's updated. I'll go ahead for pairing. For pairing, just go to find my device, and there you I'm getting pop-up, right, that I don't have connectivity, though this AirTag pop-ups will be coming. Okay, so first we have to ensure that we need to connect to internet. I will do a troubleshooting guide also because I face some issues. I'm do a separate video that will be coming up tomorrow, so just stay tuned. Even though you'll be able to proceed, you will not be able to do a setup because you haven't connected to internet yet. So you need to first switch on your mobile data, and once you are we have switched on your mobile data, head towards your Find My Device, and there down, if the pop-up is not coming, click on Find My Keys. You will get your AirTags popping up again. By chance, if it doesn't pops up, okay. So now click on Connect. Now what you want to track? You want to track your backpack, bike, keys, whatever you want to track. You can give. Even you have a custom option as well. There it will show you your Apple ID and all. Click on OK, then it will do a setup. Once the setup is completed, you'll hear the sound. That means your setup is completed. So you can just use these options. Like if I click on device where it is available, it will take me to where it is available. So it is right now near me. That's why it's showing us 1 minute distance from my location. Okay, and if I want to make the attack sound, you can hear the sound, right? This is the notification you'll be getting. So I love the notification sound, so that's why I played it multiple times. You have an option for notification as well, lost mode. What is this lost mode and all, we'll discuss in the review. I'll tell you what you can. So when you enable this lost mode, you have a lot of options like leave a message, and what exactly is this lost mode, I will explain in the review part that you'll be seeing in the last part. And don't skip it, because that is the most important thing of having an AirTag. Okay, let's hear the play sound again because I loved it.
Hey guys, I'm back again. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing of it. Now we'll have some reviews of it and how does that work. First review that comes to my mind is it's a water resistant product and it can resist up to 1 meter. Means that if that goes inside a pond or any water bodies, it can easily resist itself. The next features that stand out for me is it uses Apple ecosystem without even the strangers who are the actual owners of the iPhone or the Apple devices nearby
Without
knowing that their devices are being used. Isn't that very cool thing? So here the Apple ecosystem plays into picture. I'll tell you how does that work. Apart from that, it doesn't need such charging. It has a dry cell, so anytime that battery gets over, you can just replace it and put it. Now we'll go ahead to know how does that work. So let's say if you have your keys and you have misplaced your keys on a let's say traveling bus, and you try to search now. So when you try to search, how does it work? It will use the Bluetooth signal of the nearby iPhone users, and they will not come to know that their phone is being used. Neither their battery would be used nor that anything would be drained. So here the Apple ecosystem comes into picture, and that tries to detect your AirTag and sends you a signal that the AirTag is placed in this location. Okay, let's say you are not able to trace, or the location that the Apple tag tells you it is now gone, means it's very far away from you. Then you have an option in your phone where you can enable the lost mode. So whenever you enable the lost mode, and someone gets your AirTag, he will just, and if he's an iPhone user, he will just scan it. All the details of you would be published to him, like your phone numbers, your mail ID, whatever details you have on an Apple ID would be published to that end user. And if you will be kind enough, he will just give you, or else you will have the location, right? You can just go and trace it till the time it will be there with you, with him. By chance, if any Android user gets it, then in Android, NFC comes into picture. You can just Android users will just use the NFC, and again a link will open, and all the details of the app owner would be published to that end user. So you can get the details and just call you. So the best part is here, the stranger's iPhone is being used for getting all those details, and he doesn't have any idea of what is being done on his phone. This is all encrypted and efficient as well. One more cool feature of this AirTag is, suppose you were trying to track someone using this AirTag, okay, which is not good, right? You should not have hamper anyone's privacy, or that is malicious, right? So how the AirTag will not allow you to do that, and even the Apple has designed something for that as well. So how it will detect? It will, if you put in someone's bag and you try to track that person, then Apple ecosystem will try to identify how much time it is away from its owner, and this time it has been traveling as well. Means how much time it is away from its owner and how much time it has been traveling. So it will identify that, and if the AirTag is there with the end user, it will immediately notify that you have an AirTag with you, and if he is able to find it, it's well and good, or acknowledges it, it's well and good. If he doesn't acknowledge, then some rings will be happening, or you can just the end user can go and then give an option for ring, and that AirTag wherever would be there, because the end user doesn't know, right, where you have put the AirTag, then that will start ringing as well. So there Apple has taken excellent care of your privacy as well. So you cannot track someone, because that's against the privacy policies, right? So again, if you are an Android user and if an iPhone user wants to try, then you are caught. You cannot do anything, because Android will not have that option like iOS has. So that's all, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe the channel, please do subscribe the channel, because I'll be putting on all tech updates that I pass on through. Hope you like the video as well.
Thank you for watching the video. Hey, wait, where are you going? Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel before leaving the video.